Greetings from Ekudden in Flaten. Spontaneous nudist beach spot that I have been to so many times, but today I'm here because I knew that it's not going to blow any wind here, which means that it's gonna be even hotter than what actually is. Current temperature in the air is 19 degrees Celsius, but a lot warmer under the sun without the wind, obviously. I have cycled 8 kilometers to get here, 20 minutes exactly, and Kris is ready for another beach adventure. Today on this beach day number 42 on my Sweden beach adventures. I am all alone on this spot. I wanted to come here this Sunday, but there were some people, so I discovered a new spot that's around 200 to 300 meters in that direction. Very nice spot, but today there is wind over there, so I just decided to come here and soak up the sun as much as I can. The date is 26th of May, Tuesday, and I already went in with the thermometer in the water to check out the current water temperature. That is 18 degrees Celsius. So the lake is warming up. 2 days ago it was 17, now it's 18. Yesterday I measured whole 20 degrees at Ekudden, but that is a fairly smaller lake than Flaten. Flaten, one of my favorite lakes in Stockholm, and I'm so ready for swim. And to let you know that yesterday I did 2 times 15 minutes swim in the lake, which is the record so far, as previously it was 3 times 10 minutes. So today, as it is a bit colder than yesterday, I think I'm gonna go the same. It will be half an hour, but how it will be divided we shall see. Yeah, Flaten is a nature reserve in Stockholm and one of my go-to lakes for beach adventures. Especially there are lots of secluded nudist beach spots around this lake. So yeah, now it's time for Kris to get going with a dip in this beautiful lake. So let's get going. I can see through the water, which is so amazing, so I can find easily my way into the water. There are also some shells, lake shells. I cannot say seashells, to be fair, so I need to avoid them in order not to cut my feet as they can be a bit sharper than usual actually. Amazing. You can see the water is so flat because there is basically no wind, so there is a bit of pollen on top of the lake, so I need to swim out a bit where the water has more movement. So yeah, then Kris is ready for a dip in the lake. So ready, set, and go! Oh my god, it's so amazing. I love it. Brilliant. And the water is not cold at all actually, so it will make a very nice swim after this block. So yeah, I hope everyone is enjoying and having a great day wherever you are, and I'm so happy to be able to have this pure nature just for myself. And yeah, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure, and Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.